Jasmina Aganovic is an expert on fragrance.
You know, a lot of people spray fragrances on the wrists and then they sort of, rub their wrists together. What that does is it could actually impact the top notes that end up evolving.
The CEO of Boston-based Archaea has a degree in chemical and biological engineering from MIT.
Well, you'll have to tell me if this surprises you or doesn't.
Future Society is her personal scent brand.
Like a warm, light sweetness is the best way I could describe it.
Yeah.
I'm testing Cloud Reverie. Biology is key to all Future Society creations. For this, Aganovic flew over Massachusetts.
We got a small plane, went up into the sky with a bunch of petri dishes, collected what we could from the clouds, brought it back to our lab, and figured out what scent molecules grew there, and that was a fascinating experience. One of the surprising things we found up there was vanilla, and then we found this other compound called indole, which is found in a lot of white flowers.
Future Society started with flowers, specifically extinct species. Gene sequences from specimens stored at Harvard were made public.
When we took the data from this project over to a perfumer, they were able to look at the aroma chemicals that we identified through the DNA sequencing and the technical work, but they were also able to look at the lineage of these flowers and where it grew, and because they understand botany and aroma chemicals so well as perfumers, they were also able to get a glimpse of, okay, this is actually kind of the olfactive family that I think this flower may have lived in.
Aganovic saying the whole idea is to create fragrances from previously inaccessible parts of nature.
And the reason we think that that's really important is because, there's this narrative that technology separates us from the world, but we actually believe that we can use technology in ways to actually bring us closer to it. And that's really what our fragrances are all about.
Really cool. And specimens of the extinct flowers used to create those initial Future Society fragrances are preserved at Harvard.
And Harvard shared tiny DNA samples with a local biotech company. They then resynthesized the enzymes to recreate the smells of the flowers, some of which have been extinct since the 1800s. It is crazy. It's amazing.